More news coming in. Telangana also imposes Holi guidelines. Cops say no color on the unwilling. Bar on Holi revelry on bikes and cars. Needless policing of Holi in Hyderabad, says the BJP. BJP says Nizam like anti-Hindu diktat. Alright, now that's a diktat really from the cops. Talking about the fact that anyone who does not want to play Holi can't be forced to. Telangana has imposed these guidelines. Cops say those who are unwilling should not be forced to play Holi. This bar on Holi revelry on bikes and cars, fearing a law and order situation clearly, but the BJP says this is needless and this is a Nizam-like anti-Hindu diktat.
अभी तेलंगाना की पुलिस द्वारा एक तुगलक फरमान जारी हुआ। उस फरमान में यह लिखा हुआ है कि कोई भी ज्यादा ग्रुप में ना घूमे, ज्यादा बाइक पे ना घूमे और एक समय तक ही होली मनाए और किसी अन्य व्यक्तियों पर कलर ना डालें। अगर कोई भी हमारे आदेशों का अगर उल्लंघन करेगा तो उन पे हम कार्रवाई करेंगे। ऐसा एक निजामिया फरमान तेलंगाना के कांग्रेसी मुख्यमंत्री के आदेश पर पुलिस ने निकाला है। तो मैं उन मुख्यमंत्री को, उन पुलिस के अधिकारियों से पूछना चाहूंगा, रमजान के 30 दिन होते हैं और इन 30 दिनों में रातों में किस प्रकार से बाइकों पे घूमा जाता है, किस प्रकार से ग्रुप बनाकर घूमा जाता है। क्या यहां तेलंगाना के जो नवे निजाम है रेवंत रेड्डी जी को क्या नहीं दिख रहा है? क्या पुलिस के अधिकारियों को नहीं दिख रहा है? क्या कितना न्यूसेंस होता है पूरे 30 के 30 दिन हैदराबाद में? क्या उनके ऊपर इस प्रकार का कोई फरमान निकालने का क्या विचार नहीं आया है? लेकिन नहीं, हमारी जो कांग्रेस है वहां पर्टिकुलर एक समाज की गुलाम कांग्रेस है। हमारी जो कांग्रेस है वो हिंदू विरोधी कांग्रेस है। यही कांग्रेस आज बताने में लगी हुई है और हमारे तेलंगाना राज्य के जो मुख्यमंत्री है वो अपने आप को, मैं 8वां नहीं मैं 9वां निजाम हूं, क्योंकि 8वां निजाम तो केसीआर साहब थे, मैं 9वां निजाम हूं। और निजाम की तो आदत पता ही थी, हिंदुओं पर अत्याचार करना, हिंदू फेस्टिवलों पर ब्रेक लगाना, वही उसका काम था। तो उसको कॉपी के रूप में अभी तेलंगाना के मुख्यमंत्री जी कार्य कर रहे हैं।
Going straight across to Abdul Bashir for more details on that. Abdul, my sense is that these directions have been, advised, given the fact that there is fair amount of disturbance of the law and order situation. To say that those who are unwilling to play Holi, they should not be forced to play, is something fairly normal, isn't it? But the BJP says that this is a Nizam-like diktat.
Well, what we are learning is that this notification, which was released previously as well this year, the Hyderabad City Commissioner C.V. Anand is said to have issued a notification stating that people are prohibited from throwing holy or color or colored water on unwilling people or places or vehicles. This has been prohibited, or smearing colors to people who are not willing to play or participate in the public roads and public places is prohibited, and movement on two-wheelers in groups is prohibited from today in the evening 6 till 15th evening, that is on 15th around 4 p.m. this has been prohibited. Now this comes in context with now being the Ramzan month, and also Friday prayers will be there to avoid any kind of untoward incidents and maintain law and order in the city of Hyderabad. These orders have been issued. Similar orders are also been issued in Cyberabad police as well, and the police is saying that this is not something new. This has been going on for years, and these are the orders or notification that are precautionary to avoid any kind of law and order situation, is what the police has to say. Now here the BJP is lashing out at the Congress government in Telangana, calling it as the 9th Nizam. Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister, as the 9th Nizam. BJP leader Raja Singh had called Revanth Reddy as 9th Nizam, and also he has stated that this kind of rule is anti-Hindu. The party is going anti-Hindu, and these kind of orders are unacceptable, is what Raja Singh had said.
Well, thank you for the moment. Getting in those details is my colleague Abdul Bashir about the latest controversy erupting over those directions that have been issued by the police the Hyderabad police, and the BJP says this is nothing but a Nizam-like diktat.